the role of Mikoy. A charming and sweet character caught in the middle of the love and chaos within the story. Ladies and gentlemen, mga kapuso, let us all welcome Sam Concepcion!
Please check 1, 2. Shawty, yeah, we feel lonely. Memories of 2019. On the beach, yeah, we vibing. Cold ones on hand, we Hey, good trip till I stop it. It's me, you, in the horizon. I've been talking about life and I'm locked in. Great girl, soft skin, and she glowing. She know our commitment. We both down just to ride at the moment. Praying for the one, but you keep your distance. She only be close when it comes to the limit. I've been saying yes, cause man, she is 10. Hey! Sabay-sabay tayo! Taas pa natin yung mic. Thank you! Hey! Hey! Sing! O iba't ang kaganda, mahibag ang mahigas. Hulog na langit. O iba't ang kaganda, mahibag ang mahigas. Napapaibig kahit saan padalhin, araw man o gabi. Kay gandang diwata o kahit saan padalhin, araw man o gabi. Check back. Dito tayo sa side na to. Kamusta kayo dyan? Find my keys and I hit the gas. In an hour I'll be up for the task. Like a blast from the past. I ain't confused, but girl, I'm attached. Oh, oh, but I'm praying for you, and it feels so true. If it's heaven on earth, baby girl, I get it with you. I'll be doing a vacuum boom wine that's best enjoyed with a glass for two. Please tell me, baby, do you feel it too? One more time, Robinson, sing with me. Oh. Natin yung -1. Thank you. Sa ating napapaibig, kahit saan padalhin, araw man o gabi. Diwata o, kay gandang diwata o, kahit saan padalhin. Alright, alright, alright. Let's go. One more time. Hey, hello, Viva, how are you? Lately, baby, I've been going crazy when you don't pretend. When you don't pretend, baby. When you don't pretend, hulog na langit. Hey, ganda. Kahit saan padalhin, araw man o gabi. Diwata o, kay ng diwata o. Kahit saan padalhin, araw man o gabi. Diwata o, kay ng diwata o. Yay! What's up, you guys? Maraming salamat! Thank you for coming. We're very happy. Masaya kami na nandito kayo ngayon. Thank you for dropping by. What's up, Sam? How's it going? Yan. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Thank you to GMA Regional, to Robinsons, and thank you for everyone out here for coming out. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo ng Beauty Empire. Again, na kami sa view, pero kung gusto nyo patuloy pa rin na panoorin, keep watching GMA Primetime. We thank you for your support. We're doing so well, and that's because of you. Maraming salamat sa inyong suporta. At huwag kayong magalala dahil marami pa kayong maabangan sa show. Alright?